if your sunroof is not opening or closing, and it's raining or it's hot or whatever, and you want to close it, you're gonna go back here to your car, to the end of your car, okay? And up here there will be this little plug right here. Turn it to your left until it loosens up, okay? Then you come over here, and now this thing is 3 pieces, okay? You have your center piece. I'm just pointing it. You have your center piece, that silver looking chrome piece. You have your plate that goes around the center piece, and then you have your pin lock, which holds the plate around the center piece. Now, if you don't have this pin lock on this component, chances are that it's not working, or it's not working, it's not closing, it's not doing its job. Now this plate, like I said, needs to go around this chrome piece right here. If this plate is not around this chrome piece, it's not going to work. It's still not going to work. This plate right here is attached to your sunroof, and it opens and closes. If you want to move it manually, okay, if you want to open and close your sunroof manually, okay, you get an L tool, which is like a little hexagon key, okay, that fits in there. You make sure your plate is around the center piece. You stick your hexagon key in there, and you turn it left, I believe, closes it, right opens it. You make sure that you're looking at this, turning it and closing it. This plate, like I said, should be around this metal piece before you start to turn it. Now, if you don't have a pin lock, make sure you go to AutoZone and buy one of those pin locks, and you get a tool that's gonna open that open, or some type of tweezers that you might have that's gonna hold it open, and just put it around this thing and let it close on this. I'll show you how it is on there. Okay, really good look. Okay, there you go. So you have your 3 pieces, your center piece, your plate, and your pin lock. Now, like I said, the plate must be around the chrome piece before you open it manually. Get a hexagon key, stick it in there, and turn it by hand, and you can open and close your sunroof as you like. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome, cool videos.